Gonna do some Joe John welding. I got some holes in the bottom back corner of the bucket. We'll put on some angle. I'll do before and after. Update, I got the 2 angle pieces on. This is a piece tractor uncle put on. I just went around it. And this is up on the other side of the angle. That is championship welding. Very little pops and bubbles. Not. We got an issue. Running at top speed, the bucket flew off. Not on the tractor. Actually doing some welding. Took the bucket off and flipped it a bit so we can weld this flat on here. Gonna cover up these spots with plate. We got some snap crackle going on. Even more coming soon with the welding. OSHA approved. Joe John set up. Nothing could go wrong. Hoping for light wind. Final product. Olympics welding. Like when Bone Oil played the Garden in '72. Really great group, except the drummer didn't bring it. What could have been. I think it'll stay together.